Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we take you through how to add an ad hoc face-to-face signer to your workflow. Ad hoc face-to-face signers are unknown users who may only be decided at the point of signing. This allows a witness to provide the users with information at the point of signing. Even though an ad hoc face-to-face signer does not have a SigniFlow account, they can still be fully validated through a one-time password sent to their mobile device. It is important to note that the person witnessing the user signing will need to be known and be able to set up a SigniFlow account. In this video, we will demonstrate both sides, from the workflow originator adding an ad hoc face-to-face signature, to the witness overseeing the user as they sign the document. Lastly, I will show the completed workflow's audit log, where you will be able to see the witness and signer's location and timestamp. Now, let's start out by adding an ad hoc face-to-face signer. Step 1. Create and set up your workflow. Start by clicking on the Create New button in your left-hand navigational panel or dashboard. Upload the document or documents you want to workflow. Next, you can configure document settings. Step 2. Add your signer. Now, you will need to add at least one signer to your workflow, who will act as a witness to the ad hoc face-to-face signer. Once done, click Next. Your workflow will open in SigniFlow's document preparation page. Step 3. Place your signer's text and signature fields by either double tapping on them and placing the field, or dragging and dropping the field. Step 4. Place your face-to-face signature field. Click on the ad hoc signature icon button and place the signature. Once done, affix the signature to the document by tapping Click to affix. You can then do the same with the ad hoc face-to-face initial field. Step 5. Release your workflow by clicking the Release Document button. Now, I will show the process after you've added the ad hoc face-to-face signer. Step 1. Open the document that requires you and your witness's signature. You can either open the document through email or your pending basket within your dashboard. Step 2. Witness fills in the signer's information. First, the witness must provide the information of the person who was previously unknown, specifically the first name, last name, email, cell, and identification type. When finished, click on the Next button. Step 3. Placing the face-to-face signature. The now specified user can use a capture device, which allows them to sign using a signature pad, such as a Wacom. Use mobile phone QR, which means that they can scan a QR code with their phone to sign, and lastly, they have the option to upload signature, which allows them to upload an image of their signature. Once done, tap on the OK button. Step 4. Place witness's signature. The witness will sign by clicking on the Open Signature field. Tap on the Sign Here button. And your document is completed. Now, let's look at the completed documents audit trail. You will find your document under the completed basket on the dashboard. Open your documents audit log by tapping on the clock icon in the corresponding row within the table. Another page will open with your documents audit log displayed. Also note that you can see the witness and signer's location and timestamp. And that is how you make use of SigniFlow's ad hoc face-to-face signing feature. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo, or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.